Welcome to Touch by Lafon. So today I want to show and share with you this particular client. Now, she was a new client. She came to me for a consultation about a month prior to her actual visit as of this video. And she discussed to me that she leaves her weave installs from like for 6 to 11 months, and this particular one was about that long. So we decided to do a deep cleansing protein treatment and clip all the dead ends. The best option was a custom wig unit from my Crown by LaFawn collection because she procrastinates to get her hair done. She's tender headed and she doesn't know much about healthy hair care. So, thank you for watching.